This body wash made my tan go away from these to these. Smells so delicious and it's affordable too. It has salicylic acid and lactic acid which remove your dead skin cells in just one wash. Comment down for the link.
A quick Google search tells me that it takes about 7 to 10 days for a tan to fade, and not just one body wash, one use of a body wash. Okay. Secondly, just anyone with 2 seconds of patience to see the reel can see that, in one hand she has either applied a darker shade foundation or a bronzer to make that part of her skin seem tanned, versus she has kept the other hand normal. So she's faking it. She's faking it for the views and, for the clicks, etc. But to be perfectly honest, I'm not even surprised. I'm not even shocked. I just find this hilarious at this point that she got caught like this and she's not doing anything about it, because she's loving the engagement either ways. Even if you comment to point out her mistake, she's still getting engagement out of it. So it's a win-win for her. We will do anything to basically eradicate dark skin. We will scrub, we will put acid, we will bleach, we will take steroids, we will get on glutathione drips. We will do anything to get a lighter skin complexion. And just to be clear, I am not saying detanning is bad. No, it's just you trying to restore your natural skin complexion. Okay, I'm not saying that. But let's also be perfectly honest that there are plenty of people in our day-to-day lives and on social media who, without saying whitening, use a lot of idhar-udhar ke words around whitening, like detanning, hypopigmentation, lightening. They will use these words which have become synonymous or adjacent to whitening without saying whitening, because whitening as a term in this day and age has become taboo, thankfully. But instead, we have found these alternate synonyms which a lot of content creators will use, because at the end of the day, messaging to same hai. All your brands, all these content creators at the end of the day are still selling you the same whitening mentality. I was bullied for a darker skin complexion. Okay. So I myself, and this is like good about when I was like 14, 15, I used to look up solutions online. And a lot of solutions that you are looking for whitening, tanning, detanning, hyperpigmentation, all of this shit in terms of content merges at one point. So when I'm looking up for skin lightening, whitening stuff, I end up coming across these detanning, tanning, hyperpigmentation related content as well. And I'm pretty sure content creators know that, because at the end of the day, when I as a consumer, मेरे को at the end of the day क्या दिख रहा है? Dark skin, light skin. Dark skin, light skin. What I have versus what I want. What I have versus what I want. And at the end of the day, मैं ये नहीं देखूंगी कि वो detanning के नाम पे बेचा जा रहा है मुझे whitening के नाम पे बेचा जा रहा है, मुझे lightening के नाम पे बेचा जा रहा है. मुझे at the end of the day, I see what I want to see, and which is a lighter skin complexion.